Picture this. Your check engine light just came on and you're staring at a $150 diagnostic fee at the dealership. What if I told you that for less than that cost, you could own a professional-grade scanner that pays for itself after just one use? With Cyber Monday deals dropping prices by up to 50%, there's never been a better time to grab one of these game-changing tools. I've spent weeks testing and comparing the top scanners available right now, and I'm breaking down exactly which one deserves a spot in your garage. Let's dive in.
Number 1. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan Tool.
Let's kick things off with the scanner that's sitting in over 57,000 Amazon customers' toolboxes right now, and there's a reason why. The BlueDriver isn't just another code reader. It's basically having a mechanic's diagnostic computer in your pocket. What makes this thing special? First off, it connects wirelessly to your phone via Bluetooth. No messy cables, no awkward positioning under your dashboard. Just plug it in, open the app, and you're instantly seeing what's going on inside your car's brain. The live data feature is honestly incredible. You can keep it connected while driving and watch your engine parameters in real time. Want to see if your oxygen sensors are responding correctly? Check your fuel trims, monitor coolant temperature. It's all there with custom graphs that actually make sense. And get this, no subscription fees, no hidden charges, no premium upgrades. Everything is completely free once you buy the tool. Now, here's the trade-off. BlueDriver doesn't offer bidirectional control. That means you can read and clear codes all day long, but you can't send commands back to your car's systems. For most DIYers doing basic maintenance and troubleshooting, that's perfectly fine. But if you need to bleed ABS brakes or program new sensors, you'll need something more advanced. But at the Cyber Monday price point of around $99 to $119 though, this is hands down the best value for casual users and enthusiasts who want professional-level diagnostics without the professional price tag. Check the link in the description box for current deals. Number 2. Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scan Tool. Moving up to the professional tier, the Innova 5610 is where things get serious. This is what I'd call the sweet spot for dedicated DIYers who want to go beyond just reading codes. Innova has been in the diagnostic game since 1990, and the 5610 represents everything they've learned packed into one seriously capable tool. Over 4 million people trust their Repair Solutions app, and when you see what this scanner can do, you'll understand why. These are the services that shops charge $50 to $150 for, and you can do them yourself in your driveway. The enhanced data stream lets you view live data for advanced systems including ABS, airbag systems, transmission, and engine simultaneously. Now, the consideration here is this is a dedicated handheld unit, not a phone app. Some people love having a rugged, purpose-built tool that won't drain their phone battery or get interrupted by text messages. Others prefer the simplicity of using their smartphone. It's really about your personal preference. The 5610 comes with lifetime free firmware updates and ASE-certified US-based support, which is huge when you're stuck troubleshooting. At the $350 to $400 Cyber Monday range, this scanner pays for itself after just a few oil resets and brake jobs. Seriously, check the description box for the latest pricing. Number 3. Autel MaxiCOM MK808S Scanner. Here's where we enter the realm of professional-grade scanning. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808S isn't playing around. This is legitimate shop-level equipment that rivals tools costing thousands of dollars. If you're tackling complex repairs, working on multiple vehicles, or you're a mobile mechanic building your toolbox, this is your weapon of choice. The MK808S runs on Android 11 with a quad-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage. Why does that matter? Because it means this thing is 5 times faster than older generation scanners. No more waiting around while your tool loads vehicle data or processes commands. The 7-inch touchscreen feels like using a tablet, and honestly, that's basically what it is, a tablet specifically engineered for automotive diagnostics. The reality check is this is a $400 to $500 investment, and the tablet-style design means it's not as pocketable as the BlueDriver. You'll need to keep it charged and handle it with care. But for anyone doing serious diagnostic work or running a side business, this tool opens up capabilities that justify every penny. The 1-year free updates ensures you'll stay current with new vehicle models and protocols. Links are waiting for you in the description. Number 4. Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro Scanner. Take everything great about the MK808S and cut the cord. The MK808BT Pro is the wireless evolution, and once you experience the freedom of Bluetooth diagnostics, it's really hard to go back. That VCI mini dongle uses German Bluetooth technology with a 33-foot range, which means you can sit comfortably in the driver's seat, walk around the vehicle, or even be under the hood while watching live data on the tablet. The performance boost is real. 40% faster data transfer compared to wired connections. And the wireless freedom means you can perform active tests without constantly repositioning equipment. When you're cycling actuators, checking solenoids, or commanding systems on and off, that mobility is invaluable. The consideration is this is a $400 to $550 investment, and the tablet-style design means it's not as pocketable as smartphone-based solutions. You'll need to keep it charged and handle it with care. But for anyone doing serious diagnostic work or running a side business, this tool opens up capabilities that justify every penny. Cyber Monday deals can knock a significant chunk off that price, so definitely check the description for current offers. Number 5. Autel MaxiCheck MX900 Bidirectional Scanner. Rounding out our list is the heavy hitter. The Autel MaxiCheck MX900 is Autel's flagship value proposition. All the power of their top-tier scanners at a price point that won't require a second mortgage. The 8-inch display is gorgeous and makes navigating complex menus and viewing multiple data streams simultaneously much easier on the eyes. It's powered by the same Android 11 and RK3566 Rockchip CPU that makes the other Autel scanners so responsive. What really makes the MX900 future-proof is its support for CAN-FD and DOI-IP protocols. These are the communication standards that manufacturers like GM, Volvo, Land Rover, Jaguar, and BMW are using in their 2020 to 2025 models. Many older scanners simply can't communicate with these newer vehicles, but the MX900 handles them like a champ. The honest truth is, at $550 to $650, this is the most expensive option on our list. The larger tablet form factor also means it's not as pocketable as smartphone-based solutions. But serious enthusiasts and professional DIYers who want absolute diagnostic supremacy without spending thousands on dealer-level equipment, the MX900 delivers unmatched capability. With Cyber Monday discounts potentially slashing hundreds off that price, it's worth checking the description box to see current deals. Don't let this Cyber Monday pass without grabbing one of these scanners. Your future self will thank you the next time that check engine light comes on. Hit that link below, grab your scanner, and take control of your car's diagnostics. If this helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching.